All right, so we got the first set up. Now we're on to the second. Oh my God. Jesus. All right, guys, we got some more shop stuff going on today. We got the hex lights in. Getting them put together. Got Avi out here working. Got Andre over here putting them together. Damn, these are bigger than I thought. Thought they were gonna be way smaller, but it's a good size for the shop. It's gonna go up here. Yeah, it's probably gonna look crazy with all the hexes and shit.
It'll rock the
It'll be right. Just this.
Welcome back. This is a little continuation of the other day. We're about to go pick up the scissor lift and get the lights installed at the shop, the hex lights. So we're getting the scissor lift so we can get them up nice and clean. Just vlogging today, being more consistent. Last week, I think I put out like 4 or 5 videos, so we're doing pretty good with this video thing. And just show you guys what we get into. Let's get these lights up. Alright guys, picking up the scissor lift. Get her over to the shop. Man, that shit is beefy as hell. Shit's beefy, like the tires and shit. How much does this thing weigh? It's heavy as fuck, huh?
That's like 1,600 pounds.
That's not that bad. Like a little bug or something.
I think this trailer is fucking heavy too.
It's electric, huh?
Yeah, shit, fucking solid fucking steel. I was like, I don't know, my truck maybe could do it, but I don't know.
Alright, we just made it back to the shop. Got the scissor lift in here. God damn. God damn. Oh, this shit got a big ass ram on it. Huh? Big ass like ram right here. So this shit could probably bring up some weight too.
No, we bring pipe up with this shit.
Sheesh. Just 2. So I got that box and then this box. One right here, and then that one over there. What do you need?
Yeah. Give me like 3.
Crazy. Ride it. Bro, that shit's a trip. It is a fucking trip. All right, so we got the first set up. Now we're on to the second. Final stretch. And we got a little bonus. We got a hex, or basically just a little halo going over the TV. Coming out sweet. Oh my God. Jesus. Bro. That's fire. Wow. Damn. Done deal. Looking good. The shop is set up. We got 2 hex lights here. Then we got a little halo. Man. Video's coming soon. Still got to clean up all this shit we got going on down here. But this is nothing. And I kind of want to touch up these floors. They just have gray paint on them. So I'll do a little touch up on the floor, sweep it up. Bright in here. Yeah, it's looking good in here.